If you stay to the end of this video, your mind's going to be blown, you're going to be scratching your head, and you'll probably go straight to Google to see if I'm full of shit. I'm going to tell you how thermodynamics plays a role in wilderness survival. Now, most people think water boils at 212 degrees, period. Now, that's true, but there's way more to it than that. Water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit at sea level. But the higher up you go, the boiling point comes down. So with less atmospheric pressure, the temperature at which water boils comes down. For example, if you're at the top of Mount Everest, water boils at about 160 degrees. Now keep that in mind, because what I tell you at the end is going to blow your mind. But what's all this mean for survival? For one, you should always know your ballpark altitude. For two, you should know how long you have to boil water at that altitude to make it safe to drink or use in food. But what you don't want to do is boil water for a minute and then assume it's safe to drink. This is where thermodynamics and physics gets super weird. Remember I was talking about Mount Everest. So if you're at the top of Mount Everest, which is 29,000-ish feet, water's going to boil at about 160 degrees, not 212, because there's less atmospheric pressure. So with that being said, there's what's called the triple point. Now the triple point is when you can get to an altitude so high and pressure is so low that water can freeze, boil, and evaporate all at the same time in equilibrium. Now just picture that. You have a cup of water and it's freezing, boiling, and turning into a gas all at the same time. Now, there's no altitude high enough on Earth to make this happen. But just the fact that it's possible, it's mind-blowing. In conclusion, know your altitude and know how long you have to boil water at that altitude to make it safe.